Hello, how you doing? Back with another air fryer recipe. Really super simple. We've got some fresh sardines. We're gonna bang them in. It's so easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so here's my air fryer. Now all air fryers are very different. I've got a 5.5 litre size. It's quite big. Now what I do is I get these aluminium takeaway tin foil type things. I found these ones that fit in there just nicely. Today we're going to be making some sardines. So as you can see, I've got my silver foil or tin foil or aluminium type takeaway kind of container. I've sliced a lemon and just put that on the bottom there. So I've got my sardines here. Now my sardines have had the head taken off and the guts out there clean. So we're just going to place them in. And then very simply, salt, black pepper, and then I've got some really nice extra virgin oil here, olive oil, and we're going to just get that over there like so. Keep this really simple. Okay, that's going to go in the air fryer, 180, 15 minutes max, job done. Okay, so our sardines are ready and prepared. In they go into the air fryer. And the reason that I use this tray is because it kind of keeps all that moisture in there and keeps them, you know, really beautiful. Right, 15 minutes, 180, off we go. 180, 15 minutes, absolutely amazing. I love my air fryer. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.